Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about something you guys should do that's super important and most people do anyway after they buy a bed. When you buy a bed, what do you typically do afterwards? You go to your local stores and you're going to buy sheets, you're going to buy pillows, you're going to buy all these things when you should have just bought it at the place you bought your bed. And I'll kind of explain why you should do that all at once. So I'm walking to our accessory gallery where we have a lot of our pillows and our sheets and our protectors all in one spot. And most mattress retailers are going to offer bundles when you buy a bed. A lot of times you buy a mattress, you can get a lot of these things almost for free. So one thing that I would always do is ask your mattress retailer, hey, I'm buying a mattress. You guys offer free sheets, pillows, mattress protectors, anything like that, because there's always something that's out there that you guys get free opportunity and save some money now and not have to buy these down the road, because it's super important. We sell a lot of bed gear. We sell Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, Purple. We sell all those pillows, and every manufacturer has some type of incentive for us to get you guys to buy these now. It saves you money in the long run. It's an awesome deal, guys. And that's my pro tip of the week for mattresses. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.